want to do something different. You know what I mean? Yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. Okay, before I start the wig, the first thing I'm going to be doing is braiding down my hair. Right here, you see me taking down my ponytail. And I'm just going to add about 5 or 6 braids in my head. Right here, I'm just showing you the products I use. I bought some tint spray instead of using makeup. I heard that's good. Of course, the lace adhesive spray. I got a wax stick, a stocking cap that came with the wig, a razor, an edge brush, of course, even though I didn't do edges, but a hot comb to like press down, make it flat, some hair mousse, and of course like a water bottle to spray the wig and make those curls popping, you know. Y'all, I have no idea if I did it correctly, but right here I'm just about to spray that lace tint like inside the wig. Right here I'm just showing y'all like how the wig look up close. It's a pretty nice wig. Like Amazon, they already did a thing with this wig right here. But yeah, right here I'm just showing you the wig first, and then I'm just gonna spray it all over the lace, the 4x4 lace part. Yep. After I spray it on, this is what the lace is looking like. I think next time I'm gonna get like a darker tint color. This is the color, I think, deep brown, but they have like a darker color than this one. I think I'm gonna go with that one next time I saw a lace wig. But hey, this is my first time, so you're learning. I'm learning. So after I sprayed the tint on, I just went over it with like a blow dryer just for a little bit to dry that tint spray. Okay, so far as the cap, I'm gonna go with the flow. Never done this before. This is what I'm gonna be using. And I'm just gonna spray, I guess, the cap. I've never done this before. Oh. That's cold. Oh. That's cold, baby. That's cold. I don't know if I was supposed to do this, but I did spray like a little bit of that tint spray on the cap, just where the 4x4 part is. Yeah, so I don't know if I was supposed to do that, but I mean, the wig still came out looking okay. So, yeah. Y'all, I had the whole on my darn forehead, but you know, you could just lift it up easily and then cut. So I would cut and then I would lift it up and then cut more off until I got it to where I wanted it at. But yeah, like, and be careful, I cut myself on my forehead with this damn razor, but it's just be careful. Like, I was a whole mess in this video, y'all, but it's my first time doing it, but I got it together or whatnot. Okay, y'all, so this is what the cap was looking like after I was done. I just wiped off my forehead with the alcohol to get that sticky residue off. And now I'm about to apply the wig. So I decided to go ahead and put the spray on the lace before I cut it and then tied it up. And I felt like that was a lot easier than me cutting the lace and then messing it up and then trying to apply it. Like, so I think this method was a lot easier for me. After I tie it up and let them dry, I cut off the paper strip thing. And how about I had it glued on my forehead again. So you just lift it up. It's pretty easier. And then I just cut off the lace. Since I glued the whole lace to my forehead, some of that tint got on my forehead. You just wipe that off with some alcohol and it'll come right off. Okay, so right here is me attempting to do some baby hairs. Okay, I'm gonna let you know right now it didn't work out. So just watch me fail at it. You know, I tried and I tried and I tried and I tried and I tried again, but it just did not work, y'all. So, and it was just hard to do baby hairs with a middle part wig for me, especially this curly wig. So yeah, it was a fail, but watch me fail at it, I guess. I feel like I was somewhat headed into the right direction with this, but the baby hairs did not work out. I think I put them in the wrong area. Like, I don't know. Or maybe I cut the hair wrong or something. Y'all tell me no. Y'all let me know in the comments. Like, y'all pros. Like, what I did wrong. Because I definitely want to try it again. I want to get better at it for sure. Yeah, so at this point, y'all can just tell I'm like over it. Just, I couldn't move. I tried to got the blue gel. Like, I tried, like, I just don't know. It just was not weighing like I wanted to. So, I tried, but I ended up not doing them. I just brushed them out. Like, it just did not work out for me. But maybe next time, I think it'll be a lot easier with a side part, though, for sure. Okay, so right here I got a wax stick and I'm about to put that all over my head and it apart to make the top of my hair more flat and sleek. And I'm just gonna comb over it with a hot comb. So right here, I'm just adding mousse and water all over my head to make those curls, well, the waves, I guess, should pop in on the wig. And this hair, like, is so soft. Like, I love this hair, y'all. Y'all, look at this. Like, at this point, I'm just like over it. Like, I thought tying it down would make it look better. It's just not giving like it should. Like, it's not giving what's supposed to be gave, honey. Like, so yeah, I tried, but the baby hair did not look right. It did not. And I could not go out like that. I'm sorry. So this is how it came out. The lace wasn't but it's my first time doing it. I really thought it was gonna be a lot easier than it was, but it's not easy. Will I do it again? Maybe. I would probably do it with the side part though, instead of the middle part, because doing baby hairs in the middle part with this wig was kind of impossible. This is a 26-inch body, 26-inch body wave, deep body wave like that. And yeah, it's very soft. I like this hair. I did get it off Amazon. It was like, how much was it? I think it was like $89 off Amazon. This hair is very soft. I like it. I'm gonna do a 360 before I go. Do a 360. I'm just gonna do a little 360 for you guys. That's what it looks like for that. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.